Hey guys, welcome to another video by Analytics. In this week's tutorial, we'll be going over the latest developments that happen in the field of cryptocurrency, starting from 16th November to 27th of November. So, some current headlines in the market. PayPal's live, so American citizens can now buy, sell, hodl cryptocurrency directly using PayPal. According to MicroStrategy CEO, who just made $500 million in 2 months' time, said that Bitcoin is going to replace gold. Uh, Bitcoin's price above 16,000 for the first time in 3 years, and it has just touched its 40-month high. Come on, the bull run. Ray Dalio believes that a lot of countries will outlaw Bitcoin if it keeps on rising in prices, that they'll lose on their hold. Uh, but let me just tell you a couple of things, Ray. I know you're the one of the best investors in the world, everything the best, but the reason why Bitcoin grew is because of people like you. It's because of people who don't like the system, they don't like the traditional finance, and those are the people who are actually putting their money into Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin keeps on growing, well, it'll grow even more if you start banning it. So according to Plan B, the creator of Stock to Flow, Bitcoin's on mark to reach $100,000 by end of quarter 4 2021. Qcoin has just mentioned that they've recovered 84% of the 280 million that has been stolen from there. Lebanon's central bank has reached an agreement to start their own digital currency. Last week, the US president's election occurred, and Biden is going to become the president, the 46th president of the United States. And Biden's cabinets are in favor of cryptocurrency. Bank of Canada governor stated that digital dollar program is a success and has moved into advanced testing phase. Legendary hedge fund manager Stanley Druckenmiller has basically become the first one of the few billionaires to embrace Bitcoin and has recently purchased a large undisclosed amount. JP Morgan and other peers are still buying Bitcoin over gold and are, that was seen in the latest filing. Even though Bitcoin has appreciated 300% from its yearly lows. According to Glassnode, which is one of the best for cryptocurrency related data in the market, has just mentioned that 97% of all the cryptocurrency wallets, especially the Bitcoin wallets, are in profit after the latest bull run. Let's come back to the Bitcoin weekly chart. So last week we had our support at 12,800 and resistance at 13,800, and we told our users, to follow a certain set of laws, like the 1 hour candle should close above it. They should check out for volumes if the resistance is broken. And guess what? What happened? Resistance was broken, my friends, and it just went skyrocketed. And a lot of our users, our premium customers, have just made about 25% upside in 2 weeks time, and imagine the amount they would have made if we were leveraged about 5 to 10%. Similarly, the trade for the future, as we mentioned, is that it's got 16,200 is a very strong support, and if it breaks, it could go down to 15,500 levels or even below that. Similarly, the 16,500 is a very strong resistance, so you could wait for a breakout there, and it might cross its 40-month high and go to the next 50-month high, which is $18,000. And as we mentioned over here, that we should do a quick trade and look out for large volumes. 1 hour candles are a must to wait for them. ETH, similarly, as we told our customer, 396 is a very strong resistance, and a 381 is a very strong support around 380-ish. And guess what happened last week? So this was a prediction that was made by our AI-based indicator on 31st of October. And guess what happened? Whoa, ho, ho, what a one-sided movement. It is now currently at 461. That's about 25% upside. So all our customers, our premium customers who are using our services, they've just made a tons of money by using this facility. Similarly, the current trade for the futures, as we can see, the support is around at 450 levels, the resistance is at 470. So people just follow the set of rules, you'll make a lot of money on that. If it breaks the 470 resistance, it might go to 540 levels, which is about 20% profit. The key conditions, as I always say, is that the support and resistance should be broken with large volume. The 1 hour candle should close below the support or above the resistance to give a confirmation. Use a minimum 1 hour chart to make a trade and analyze the movement. And watch out for large volumes. That is the key for the making. The S&P 500, we made on 31st October, we made a historical thing that we expected that if it breaks the resistance band, it might go or up. So if it breaks the 33.48 resistance or the support at 32.27, let's see what happens. Wait, it just broke the resistance. So once when it broke the resistance, it went upwards. And similarly, a lot of our premium customers just made a 7% on the upside based on because of our AI based indicator. The trade for the future, as we said, 16th October to 27th of November, 16th of November to 27th of November is about on those levels of 36.40 and 37.50, which is not, we are not expecting a lot of volatility right now in the market. So 2 to 3% upside or downside could be profitable for our customers. So watch out for whether it breaks the resistance or it breaks the support. It's going to be very crucial, and don't forget to follow these rules. Gold has really been irritating all of us, because it has just been consolidating since 3rd of October. It tried to give out a small breakout, but it still bounced back immediately, as you can see how quickly it fell down. And it is unable to break the resistance band that was created, the support and resistance band. So hopefully it breaks out quickly. So summarizing all the movements and everything that has happened in the market, we feel that the market is overall quite bullish, especially because of all the uncertainty in the market. Hopefully you guys are able to profit, and watch out for the latest news, more latest news coming up from analytics next week onwards. And happy trading, guys. Hope you're having a good time trading, especially when Bitcoin and ETH are giving 25% in 2 weeks. I hope everybody is making a lot of money. Thank you, guys. Cheers, and have a happy trading weeks. Bye bye.